So the popular DJI is getting ready for another camera, the DJI Osmo Action 6. But thanks to a well-reputed leakster that even before the launch, we not only got a look at the Osmo Action 6 but also received details on its significant camera upgrades and even its possible pricing. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So looking at the design, the Osmo Action 6 has a compact and rugged body, similar to its predecessor. Also, it will have two screens on the front and the back. So design-wise, it looks similar to the Action 5 Pro. However, the camera module seems noticeably larger, suggesting even a bigger camera sensor. And luckily, we also have details on that. So as per the leaked details and images, the Osmo Action 6 will pack with a 1/1.1 inches CMOS sensor, which is a good upgrade over the 1/1.3 inches sensor size on the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Now, generally such upgrades result in better low light performance and more dynamic range, which we can say are the most important aspects of the action cameras. So an exciting upgrade for the Osmo Action 6. Moving on, the Osmo Action 6 will continue to offer a wider 155-degree field of view. However, unlike its predecessor, it will offer a variable aperture, something very new to the action cams. So you will be able to control the light the sensor can take depending on the situation and take the best shots. Also, the Osmo Action 6 is expected to upgrade the video capabilities to 8K recording at 30 FPS. For comparison, the Action 5 Pro allows up to 4K video recording. One of good feature addition to Osmo Action 6 that it will support smartwatch integration. Most probably you can control camera features from your watch and can even show live data like heart rate or altitude directly onto video. Now, in terms of other features, there will be a 1950 mAh battery which is set to offer 4 hours of 4K video recording. Also, the camera will maintain its IP68 rating and 16-meter dive rating. Now, fortunately, a leak even shared the possible pricing, and according to that, it could be priced around $329, which if true, would actually undercut the Action 5 Pro. So it appears that DJI Osmo Action 6 will be one of the most capable action cam, and its launch is likely to happen in around a week. And that's it for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.